is a spec. It'll be for a really simple module. That's really just the introduction to absolute value. So we'll just call it absolute value. Absolute value. And we're literally going to just ask the student, what is the absolute value of 3? The absolute value of 3 is equal to what? And I think a good visualization here, I mean, we could just say, hey, look, the absolute value of a number is always the positive version of it. But even better is if we were to draw a number line and say, hey, look, is the distance from 0, so they conceptualize it. Or maybe we write both. So we draw a number line. The first time they click a hint, we draw a number line. We do 0, we have 1, and we could do, negative 1 here. We have a 1, a 2, and a 3. And then when they click hint again, you show like that, and you say, or maybe you could even bubble it in, and you say the distance from 0 to 3 is 3. So the absolute value of 3 is equal to 3. Or, and then you could say another way to think about it. Another way to think about it is that the positive, or maybe we should say the non-negative version, the non-negative version of 3 is 3. And here, actually, we don't want to have a multiple choice here. We might as well just put a free answer here, where a student would just type in 3. Now, the other option, obviously, is if we have something like negative 3. So if we have, so let me clear this out. If we clear this out, so obviously we could ask something like, what is the absolute value? The absolute value of negative 7 is equal to question mark. And once again, we could draw our number line. And essentially, we could pick every number that's between, and you could even put decimals here if you really want to, but not fractions, because fractions will be hard to input here. But you could put decimals, and anything really between, well, really any numbers, whatever. I'll let you as the module designer decide what you want to do. But you could show, negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And when they click hint, well, this will show up when they click hint, and it'll say the distance from 0 to negative 7 is 7. Is 7. We could color it in. It is 7. So the absolute value of negative 7 is equal to 7. Another way to think about it, the non-negative version of negative 7 is 7. And that's all you would do. And you could just put a bunch of numbers here, and it'll be a free answer question.